Namaste children. Today we are going to see the third lesson from your history part, that is the Delhi Sultans. See my dear children, in your Zoom class I have thought about the past rulers. So now this is the term of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, who ascended his father's throne, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, in the period 1325 up to 1351. See my dear children, the historians and the poets and the politicians, those who referred Muhammad bin Tughlaq as wise fool, because he did more things for his country as well as his people, but there is no more result, there is no more good way. So while he took the decision that is not supported his country as well as his people, so that's why he was referred as wise fool by the historians. My dear children, he started his measurements in various ways. The first measurement, which is called collecting taxation in Doab. See, what is the meaning of Doab? A land in between of two rivers, especially here Ganga and Yamuna river. See my dear children, these were the regions which was ruled by that Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and he imposed the tax for the Doab region. To overburden of taxes, people abandoned their farming occupation and involved in robbery and theft. They don't want to take the occupation of the agriculture, so they want to find out other occupations. In order to rule the whole Indian subcontinent, Muhammad bin Tughlaq wants to rule Delhi and also the Deccan region, so that he wants to shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. See, the Daulatabad, otherwise called Devagiri. Muhammad bin Tughlaq ordered the whole population of Delhi as well royal household, including scholars, poets, musicians, to move to new capital which is called Devagiri or Daulatabad. During this relocation, many people died. Many of them got diseases. By the time people reached Daulatabad, Muhammad bin Tughlaq changed his mind and decided to abandon the new capital and move to his old capital Delhi. The plan of shifting capital was completely failed. So again, Muhammad bin Tughlaq decided to change his capital to the Delhi. Muhammad bin Tughlaq maintenance of huge army. He ordered his subjects to pay more taxes. The burden of excessive taxation, farmers shifted their occupation to some other jobs. During the 14th century, there was a shortage of silver throughout the world. So, Muhammad bin Tughlaq used copper coin at par with the value of silver coins, so which caused economic chaos. He then withdrew the copper coin and issue the order to exchange copper coins with gold and silver from the royal treasury. As the disvalue of the currency system, the commoners also started to mint the coin in their own houses. So, what is the result of it? There is no more value of the currency. Dear children, hope you all are understood how this Muhammad bin Tughlaq worked as the foolish methodology. We will see the remaining in your next class, children. Thank you.